Okay, well, we're in the season of offers, so how about this for an offer? A solo ad that you can send out to over 45,000 double opted-in subscribers. And the price of it, just $1. That's right, only $1 for this solo ad, as long as you act during this short launch period. After that, the price will be going up to the regular price of $19.95. But for the moment, you can grab one of these solo ads for just $1. It will go out to, as I said, 45,000 double opt-in subscribers across a combination of some of my websites, my blog traffic, also some of my mailing lists, and all of these people are interested in Make Money Online offers. There are no limits to the type of offer that you can send out. You don't have to test it in any site testers or anything like that. Just provide us with the text of the solo ad you want to send out and your URL, and we will do the rest. But that's not all, because inside $1 solo ads, we're also going to show you how you can email over 500,000 people every day for free by using our mailer methods. Over 500,000 people every single day, completely free of charge. So if that sounds like it's a skill that's worth learning, then this is for you, regardless of the fact that you're also getting a solo ad thrown in. But as I said, this offer is strictly during the launch period. We cannot afford to sell these ads permanently at $1, because obviously we're going to be oversubscribed on this, and it will take us a period of time because there's a limit to the number of ads we can send out in a particular day. So to do that, we have to be strict about the launch period. It is going to go up to by 20 times up to $19.95 at the end of the launch. So grab your $1 solo ad today, and we'll see you inside the members area.